Last night I made some roti. Look the tower there. Um, and I made about six. I didn't have a rolling pin, so I used this thing to roll out the roti and them. Yeah, so I wanted to show you the final product. Well, I think the remaining two of the roti and them. So for some reason it come out kind of hard, and you see it not. I mean, it looked good. It looking real good, but if you could only feel okay, obviously I burnt some of it, but if you could only feel the texture of this roti, it's more like wet cardboard. I don't know. And you see it kind of crunchy. So I'll be trying again, maybe this weekend, and we will see how that goes.